Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Right now you are watching a 2-star hotel. In this video, we provide a detailed explanation of everything you need to know about this property, like amenities, room category, location, landmark, facilities, and reviews also. As you can see on the screen, the hotel location, nearby attractions and landmarks are also provided here. See more than 100 of reviews of this hotel. You can go to agoda.com. Its review rating is 6.8, which is the good. Category 1. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room highlight, facilities, amenities, and images, etc. Room category 2. Category 4. Category 5. Category 6. Next, we discuss the amenities of this hotel. As you can see on the screen, this hotel 6 type of facilities around the hotel. Book online and enjoy it. Superb. There's different meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book, you can use the link provided in the description below. If you have any problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. For booking or get more details about this property, please check description. If you have visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any